Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here we are. So you heard the initial story of me outside, and we'll put B-roll of the tragic fires and the pictures of all the stuff. But every project starts with a good foundation and the right windows and doors. But that place where you first come in, especially on mountain modern lifestyles here, to where you have the go out and play and the guests come in the front door. So this is really that artist piece. And working with the family, it was so cool because she was a teacher and an amazing artist and really has that eye and really wanted this picture of the front door. And then it's blending the right stuff together of at the right time of what budgets and what works and getting the right overhang and all the details. This is where you have to spend that 10,000 hours as where I wear my Mountain View window and door badge within the art of construction of things like we may have in a perfect world, this would be a 3-point hardware and it would be metal on the outside and wood on the inside and a different sill system. But we've augmented things like we do have a drop sill here. And this got added after the fact because they were having challenges with this wood moves and you have a lot of expansion and contraction in the sill, which in industry speak is you have sill or threshold in the door bottom. In the sweep, this had what was called a sweep that had friction on it. And there was a little bit of movement. So we ended up, shout out to Tom with Earthwoods, who's our great local partner, came in and put in a drop sill so that when this door opens, this has no friction, but it goes in and it drops and seals. Because unfortunately, they had mice coming underneath that door, and they only need a little pinhole. And when it's cold out there, that takes away from the beautiful art of these mountains.